Just replace the batteries in your Xumo remote and it's still not working? There are a few common culprits. First, ensure the batteries are inserted correctly and are alkaline. Even new batteries can sometimes be faulty or have corrosion preventing a good connection. Clean the battery contacts inside the remote with a cotton swab and a little rubbing alcohol. Interference is another issue. Sunlight or fluorescent lights can disrupt the infrared signal. Finally, test the remote's IR signal. Point the remote at your smartphone camera. You should see a purple light if it's transmitting. If not, the remote may be damaged. If the IR test fails or interference is ruled out, try repairing the remote to your Xumo device. Unplug your Xumo Stream box or compatible device from the power outlet for 30 seconds. Plug it back in and try using the remote immediately after. If that doesn't work, check online forums or Xumo's support page for device-specific repairing instructions, as methods can vary by model. As a last resort, consider using the Xumo mobile app as a temporary remote while troubleshooting continues. If the physical remote continues to fail despite these steps, hardware replacement might be necessary. However, explore app-based control or Xfinity voice remote compatibility as Xumo phases out standalone IR models.